These are the provider instructions for NextStepDx Plus whole exome sequencing. Collect one cheek swab from your patient if you are ordering FirstStepDx Plus chromosomal microarray, Fragile X syndrome testing, and/or pharmacogenetic testing. If you'd also like to order NextStepDx Plus whole exome sequencing with or without mitochondrial DNA testing, a second cheek swab from your patient is required. Remember, no food or drink for 30 minutes before sample collection. Remove the swab from the packaging, then place the swab in the mouth in the lower gums on one side. Rub along the lower gums in a back and forth motion 10 times. Then repeat this on the opposite side another 10 times. Unscrew the blue lid, invert the swab into the fluid, and close the tube tightly. Then shake 10 times. Don't forget to write your first name, last name, and date of birth on the outside of the cheek swab tube. If you are ordering NextStepDx Plus with relatives, we also need swabs on the family members. It is recommended that birth mother and birth father are included. If they are present at the visit, collect both of their cheek swabs and the relative form for each of them. If one or both family members are not present, give the included packet with the extra swabs to the family to take home, where videos and instructions are available online. Please remind the family to submit their samples within 2 weeks of the child's sample being submitted. Next, fully complete the test requisition form. Please make sure that you and the patient's legal guardian sign and date the test requisition form. Please return the samples with the following items: a copy of the patient's recent progress note that indicates his or her diagnosis and reasons for testing, a copy of both sides of the insurance card, which is critical for insurance processing. If your electronic medical record contains this information, you may supply a demographic sheet instead of copies of the card. The optional clinical features and family history checklist can improve genetic interpretation. Please note that this does not replace the need for progress notes. The optional Lineagen Care Program form, which is completed by the family, can determine pre-qualification for their financial aid in their responsibility amount. Place all the collected swabs and completed forms into the poly bag with the attached shipping label. Seal it up and contact Lineagen to schedule a pickup. You can call us at 801-931-6200.